So it's Grizzly Creek Boat Ramp, White River National Forest. Put your rafting down at the bottom, right there. Train tracks over on the other side. Saw a train earlier. Been through a couple tunnels too. Coming down through here. Beautiful area. Been here a few times. Julie and I were here last year, and Corey and I was here, like I said, on our way to Sturgis once. We came through here. We came up through Moab. We came this direction across into Denver and then to Cheyenne. So I think Julie could handle that river. That's not doesn't look too dangerous. Looks like it'd be fun though. Maybe we can catch some more boats going down here shortly. Beautiful day out. I couldn't decide to go toward Phoenix or toward Denver when I left Moab. We chose to go toward Denver. It's like 75 degrees. Just got done raining. So I think made the wise choice. The other way, we were going to go to Bullhead City and meet with a realtor, look at some properties in 110 degree heat. That would have put me in a great mood, wouldn't it? People who know me, yeah, you know my patience run rather thin. All right, I talked to the gator, and we'll zoom across. Take a picture of Julie and the dog. Hey, I'm getting ready. I got a couple of them getting ready to go. Everyone goes one. I got a couple more coming up behind. Rafting on the Colorado. I'm moving pretty fast down there. How awesome is that? Sorry, I'm gonna hold on to that. They're going down pretty quick. That is awesome. I'll catch the next group here. Here comes the next group down. Got a train in the background. Like a Amtrak passenger train is in the background. Doesn't that look like fun, people? Gotta do it sometime. The group coming down. And away they go. Rafting. That's some close-up rafting. Huh? Awesome. How exciting for them today. Looks like fun. It looks like they got 2 more groups I can see. They might have more. How beautiful that is in the background. Look at what they get to go down. Train track right there in the back, where I just said Amtrak was going. And then they go down. I don't know how far they go down. Sorry, didn't mean to move the camera so fast on everybody. This group is getting ready to shove off, looks like. Oh, I'm trying to count these. So they got a guide in the back. Looks like they got a guide in the back. They got, I thought there was only 2 left. There's a 3rd one back to us though. See how they pour out there into the middle of the rapids. There they go. I don't see anybody paddling. They're taking pictures. Yay, taking some pictures. See? The guy turned them this way. The picture taken. Awesome. It's like another group heading out. I got them lined up. I don't know how many rafts I got up there. I saw them come in. They had 2 vans and a school bus. Like full-size school bus. And then 2 big vans. And then, of course, trailers stacked. Trailers with rafts stacked up. So. I don't see anybody moving yet for some reason. They haven't went out in the main channel of Colorado yet. Alright. Looks like they're getting ready to go. Now I see 1, 2, 3, 4 more stacked up there. Train. Oh, it's a freight train coming. Oh, they're shoving off 2 at one time. These guys are paddling. There goes one. Oh, this just has a small group on it. Just a small group. Say, way. Looks like fun, doesn't it, people? I know you're not going to tire of me saying that when I put all these videos together into one. Alright, the freight train going by. Last one was a passenger train. Take care. Doggy down the water. I think these are the final 2 out of that big, huge group. So, it was a large group. So, this one has about 8 on it, maybe. They're all waving. Hang on, good luck. Hey, that one group was really fun to watch. They were excited. Gotta do that. Gotta do that. My birthday's coming up. We should do that for my birthday. My birthday's in a couple days.
See the name of it? White River Rafting LLC.
Oh, so the name of it is White River Rafting LLC. It must be out of this town we just passed. Can't remember the town. So. Last group coming down. I think they've got everybody in the water now. So they had a big group. Wave, everybody. You're going to be on YouTube.
Very good.
All right. Click and subscribe. See ya.